going, guys? Welcome back to Bog Dust for Breakfast, the channel where I don't actually eat bog dust for breakfast. I don't actually even have breakfast half the time. The content that you'll see on this channel won't actually be me eating any type of food for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whether that be primer dust or bog dust. You won't see any of it on this channel. What you will see on this channel is me sharing tips and tricks that I've picked up and learned and demonstrated over 15 years being a spray painter here in Melbourne. Doesn't take much to get nice, clean, straight panels and good looking paintwork. Now, the ways that I do things work very well. There are multiple ways to do a lot of the content that you'll see on this channel. It's like tying your shoelaces. I'm sure there's multiple ways of tying your shoelace so your shoe doesn't come off. Same thing with painting. There's more than one way to achieve great results, and I'm only sharing my way. If that's something that you enjoy, smash that like button, because I've got something pretty cool on my lap I want to share with you guys. If you like getting nice finishes off the gun with one of Australia's best-selling spray guns, it's actually not made in Australia, but I know someone that can do great deals on this spray gun. If you look in the links below, check out the Walcom spray guns that DNA Custom Paints are selling. These guns are really good, and I've got two of them right here to give you guys a bit of a look at. I'll be doing a demonstration on this S15. Let's open up the box and take a quick look at this Walcom GENESI Carbon 360. Okay, let's take a look at the Walcom GENESI Carbon 360. Now, first impressions, it's great that it comes in a hard box just like this. I find that like storing your guns can be a little bit tricky sometimes when you're in a busy panel shop. Everyone's got their guns hung up on the wall, and honestly, if I was working in a busy panel shop again, I would always store it in this box. I mean, when we open up this box, you'll see exactly what I mean. Look at that. Look how well it's presented. It's got nice foam in there to keep that gun nice and secure and safe from any damages that may occur when you're leaving your guns lying around underneath benches, on the floor, wherever you store this gun. If it falls off a bench, it's going to be all protected. Let's be honest, the pots on guns, if you drop your gun, chances are you're always going to snap the pot right here. I think we've all done that once or twice in our career. All right, so on the left-hand side, we've got a spanner, very generic spanner. SARDAJET also make a spanner exactly the same as this. Has all your different sizes here for maintenance and repairs and cleaning and stuff of your gun. Also has a tin opener at the base of the spanner as well. Very handy to have. We've just got a plastic box here with a few O-rings, a few clips and springs, and a few spares basically in case you lose any of the parts on the gun, which is very handy. Just a normal size pot here, about 600 ml pot, perfect for any job, large or small, perfect. There's one thing that I don't actually like about this. It'd be cool if they had a quick attachment like the SARDAJETs have, where you basically put it in the gun, you give it half a turn, and it's all clipped in, ready to paint. Unfortunately, you do have to wind this one, but for me, it's not a selling deal breaker. This is still going to be perfect for all applications. One thing that really sets this gun apart from other spray guns for me is the digital air reg which comes with this spray gun. Now, a lot of people might think, well, a lot of guns come out with digital air regs, but one that you can actually clip off and clip on rather easily is very cool. Now, you'll see the fitting here. It's actually the same as like an airline, just obviously a little bit smaller. Now, we all love nipples, and this spray gun comes with a nipple. You basically just put that on there like that, easy done. Now, first impressions of the spray gun is, or the first noticeable difference that I find with this spray gun compared with other spray guns is the weight. Not sure of the exact amount of weight. We should probably get it on some scales at another time and actually take a measurement to see what this weighs. It feels great in the hand, very snug, feels really good. The trigger feels really good. I think I wound that out about 4 turns just to get a bit of a feel for it. Feels pretty good. Yeah, everything's really cool about this gun. I quite like it. Now we know what it looks like. How about we put it into action and we'll start painting this S15's engine bay. Well guys, engine bay on the S15's done. It's come out bloody mint. Very happy. I'll spin the camera around in just a moment. I've still got a few things to paint. I've got underneath the bonnet, the front bar, the strut brace brackets, the rocket cover for the motor, for the SR, And that's pretty much it, all done. So I'll get into that tomorrow. I'll make another video with like prepping all that up and painting that as well. So stay tuned for that one. If you've enjoyed this video and if you've enjoyed the Walcom spray gun review, smash that like button. I'll tell you what, the guns are very good. I like to compare the Walcom guns to my DeVilbiss DV1 because that's probably the newest gun. I think DeVilbiss are making a new DV1, DV1S or something. Not sure why or whatever, but the Walcom spray gun's really, really good. First time ever using it, I basically set it up the same as my DeVilbiss, wind the fluid all the way in, wind it out 3.5 turns, fan all the way open, put my clearing air pressure at 2 bar and just smashed it on. Just concentrated on those even coats like I would paint anything else, and it's come out bloody mint. So anyway, I highly rate these guns, very, very good. I'm gonna give them I'm gonna pull them all down and give them a real thorough clean, put them back in their boxes, and yeah, happy days. Anyway, guys, appreciate everyone watching this video. If you've enjoyed this gun review, smash the like button. I'll put links to the Candy, the Custom Clear, the Mutant Crystals, and the Walcom spray guns in the description below. Go check them out. You'll love the DNA products. Apart from that, let's roll on some clips now. I'm pretty happy with this engine bay. I'm just standing here looking at it. It looks really cool. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'll roll on some clips. Go check this engine bay out and check those links out in the description below. You guys will take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge, bitch. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in a backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quick to save my peace, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet. I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way, way out the way from them. Can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E and J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and a dumb face. No stunner shade, still turned up. Been had it poppin' in broad day, that's Avi. Flower child from the sun rays, but I run fade, got a punch drunk. My providence, they don't love us, they rather treat us like an animal. They wonder why we on ape shit.